guys, back with another video. So here we are, it's the end of July. We're going to do a little bit of trout fishing. Got a creek here, and it flows underneath this bridge. Well, what we found out is there's a bunch of trout up underneath this bridge. They're all pretty nice size. Me and Brandon were up here yesterday, caught a few of them, didn't have a camera. So we're back this morning, got some minnows, we're going to try to catch some. Let's see what happens. Got it?
Yeah.
Brandon got one from the other side. Nice size?
Not bad. Decent.
Should have put you up there with the camera.
Nice.
Feels big. Taking drag from upstream. Jeez. That felt big. That's the reason it felt big.
I had that one on. He's pretty decent size. I seen another one over there. There you go.
Little one. I can keep it. Not that bad. I swallowed it anyway. Nice.
Ah.
Get off.
Easy release.
Nice size one.
Yeah.
It's always the big ones, huh?
That would have ended my career. Keep me fishing a little longer.
What's that?
I said that would have ended my career. I want to keep fishing a little longer.
Oh, you got 4 already?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you had 3.
Yeah.
Keep fishing.
I caught one when you went back to the car. Merman pink seems to be where it's at. There you go.
It's the worms. I use chartreuse in a worm. Ooh.
Big one?
It's smaller than them other ones, but it's nice. I'm gonna keep it. I know one thing, they're like swallowing these things.
I only had one swallow. The other ones were in the lips.
If I stop recording. Probably gotta get him a clean fish. Little guy. Letting this thing go. Keeping it.
Probably should. I gotta see if it.
I think they're
I
starting.
don't know if it's.
I think they're starting to slow down. I mean, there's something in there, but you figure there's a ton of fish in here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done.
Huh?
I said I'm done.
Did you get your limit?
Yeah.
Nice. No, I'm done too because this one's flawless.
So the last couple I got, what we're using is a combination, a little piece of a power worm and a piece of nightcrawler. That's what we've been using. Brandon's on the other side. He got his limit. He's using pink instead of the chartreuse. So we both got limits. I know a lot of them weren't on video, but I don't know. That's how it goes sometimes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.